Hello my friend, today I'm recording this video to introduce our analog apartment video intercom. Now you can see this is the package of our intercoms. This is the decoder. Here we have 6 decoders. And here, this is the exit button. And this one is our power supply. You can see this is the MW brand from Taiwan. These two are our indoor monitors. This is our 7-inch white indoor monitor. This is a smaller 4.3-inch white monitor. And this big box is our outdoor call station. In the package, we have these connectors, also the ID card, management card. You can see this is the digital, so you can call the resident number by the apartment number 101, for example. You can call from here. And this is aluminum, thick aluminum. And from the back, you can see this is connectors. This is for the push button, power supply, 12 voltage. Here is for unlock. And with here, you can see inside here, there is a RJ5 interface. We can connect with the network cable. Okay, later I will show you how to wiring and connecting up this system and test the functions.